So if you have an MG that's registered between 2021 and 2023, possibly going into 2024 as well, and you want to change the battery in the key fob, what you need to do is press in the silver little button there, and open this out, and that will expose your emergency key. Slide that out, then use the key to prise the two parts open. This is the fiddly bit. Okay, now this bit will fall out once you take the two parts apart, like so. But you can use the end of this to hook the battery out. Like so. So the replacement battery you need is a CR232. So plus side goes down and the negative side is facing up. Then you just take this little silver bit, and it sits in a little, it's got two little pins either side, and it sits in the hole there. Then all you do is put the two halves back together again. Lining them up and giving them a good firm press together, like so, until you hear the two halves click together. Then you replace your emergency key into its little slot and click the silver thing together again. Oh, then if you have a key fob, don't forget to put that in first, like so, and then click it together. So that is how you change the battery on an MG registered between 2021 and 2024, possibly into 2025, but I haven't seen that key for an MG. So yeah, like the video, share the video, it helps people, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.